Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Last night I made a video on something called a seamless pattern, which I'd never uh, didn't even know what it was till last night. So I thought, and I did it with circles, and that was relatively easy. And I thought, well, what about other shapes, like the shape of this horse? So I'm going to Control D and make a perfect square. I'm going to make it 10 inches. Put P, put it at the center of the page. This is a vector horse, so I'm going to left click, right click. And here's the kind of the trick on this. We want to set our nudge distance on 10 inches, which it is, but you want to grab that X and put that X till it snaps to that. I'm using somebody else's program and I actually got a white field. But because our nudge factor is set on 10 inches, Control D, it's going to put it right there. We can Control D this one and we'll put it like right, let's make it a little different. Control D, stop, Control D, and then nudge it 10 inches. Now I'm going to Control D this one, and I'm actually going to put it till it snaps right there. Control D. Corel does that when you move it. Control D and then nudge it down 10 inches. Now I'm going to take this one and Control D and put them in here. Control D. And you could make the horses smaller, larger, whatever size you wanted. That looks pretty good. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go back minus front. Whoop. In this case, I'm going to have to go front minus back. Then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Nudge that out of the way a couple of times. Let's just delete this one. Let's move this over. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate and move it down. Then here's the key. You still got this white line. And I don't know, as a laser engraver, I don't know if that would engrave because it really doesn't kind of show up. But to play it safe, I would do this. I would select it all and combine it. And while I'm doing this, watch these white lines go away. So that's a pretty cool effect. I can see the use of that in anything. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.